Hello beautiful people out there, it's another beautiful day. Today I want to repair this amplifier, this audio amplifier. The issue with this amplifier is that some of the channel is having issue, so it's home theater anyway, so some of the channel is having issue. The problem with it is the sound IC. Okay, so some of the sound IC are damaged, the one for the left and right channel. Alright, so the current good one is the one for the bass. The bass is still having a good sound IC, so it's not affected. So let me prove what I mean. When I put music on, only the bass will be working, will be producing a sound. So the left and right channel will be hitting up, and then they will be producing a humming sound. Okay, so the treble, which is for the left and right channel, are the one having issue. So let me turn on the music now. As you can see, it's only bass you can hear. Meanwhile, there is a speaker for the treble on the left channel. There's another speaker hidden for the right channel. So the two IC for both left and right channel are bad. So I'm going to change it. Then after changing it, I will test again and you hear the result. So the IC is, let me check the value again. Can you see it from here? The IC is TDA 2030. Sorry, you can't see it. My camera can't capture it very well. Okay, it's TDA 2030. Alright, so I'm only going to change two for the left and right channel. First step, let me quickly use the system. So these are the three transistors, one for the bass, one for the left channel, another one for the right channel. So the left and right are the one having issue. I'm not going to replace the one for the bass. So I will change the one for the left and the other one for the right. The next step is to desolder it from the board. Okay, so I have my desoldering gun here. So because I don't have anyone to hold the camera for me, I will pause the video. When I desolder, I will record again. Right now I want to test which of the channel is currently good, which is the one for the bass. So there are three transistors here. Sorry, I mean IC, sound IC here. So I am to replace two. So how do I know which are the two that I'm to replace? So the good one, which is connected to the subwoofer, right now if I'm touching the IC one after the other, the one that's currently used for the subwoofer will be producing some humming sound when I touch it. So that's how I know. But I can alternatively trace the path to know which one go to the connection of the subwoofer speaker, but that will take my time. So this is a shorter method. So if I touch it, can you hear that humming sound? So this shows that this particular IC that is on this side is the one that is for the subwoofer. So if I touch the other one, I shouldn't hear that sound because their speakers are not connected at the moment. But see the one of the subwoofer. So I will remove these two. Sorry, when I turn it, you see it very well. So the two IC that are on this side. So how do I know that the problem is the IC? How do you know your issue is the IC? Number one, those IC that are bad will be getting hot. They will be extremely hot than the normal degree of the IC. Then they will be producing humming sound instead of normal sound when connected to the speaker. So their channels will be producing that humming sound, and there will be no audio, normal audio signal from that channel. Or if at all there's audio signal, there will be very little. You cannot hear it. So you put your ear closer to the speaker before you can hear a very small amount of that signal. So let me change. Let me desolder the bad IC, then replace them. Okay, so I just removed those ICs. As you can see, only one remaining there, which is for the subwoofer. So these are the bad ones. So these are the new ones. So I will replace them with the new one shortly. Okay, so I've already replaced the sound IC, and you can hear the sound is normal now. Both the side channel and the bass are now working together. So I'm just testing before I close it. So when I close it, I'll test it properly. I will turn down the volume of the bass, which is the subwoofer, and then test the channel also. Alright, so the sound IC have been replaced, and then we have a clean sound now. Here are the old bad ones. So initially it was only the bass that we were hearing, but now we have both bass and treble. That is from the left and right channel. Okay, so let me test that. Let me load the bass. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. More exciting videos are coming on your way. So like, subscribe and share with friends.